All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about this new feature in Google Docs called Smartchips. So you go to Insert Smartchips and you'll notice you've got People, File, Calendar, Event, and Place. So I'm going to just show you a little bit what that looks like. So this is my interactive syllabus for my course. And you'll notice here that this is a presentation. And I normally, you can tell, I just type what it is and I link the words to whatever the assignment is. So with Smartchips, what I can do is I can come here and say insert a Smartchip, and I go to File, and it's my most recent files that I've opened. So if this is the one, if I click on that, then it looks like this. So it's the same thing, it's linked. It's the same as typing the words, but it looks like, it's a Google slide and it has the name of the slide. And just like normal, you can hover over it and it will show up. And so it's a smart chip. Here's another one with the Twitter post that we do. So insert Smartchips file, and here I can put Twitter engagement project. So again, you can tell this is a doc because you can see the little symbol for a Google Doc, Twitter engagement project, and you hover and it kind of gives you a quick little image of what that is. So that's for the files that you want to insert. I'll come down here. You notice that you've got other options as well: people, calendar, event, and place. So we'll go to people. People would be the most people that I am in contact with most recently. And so I'll just use this one, and it just gives her email address. And when I hover, it gives me a little more detail. So this would be helpful if you're working on a document and you want to add people to the document and you want everyone to have access to their email and their information. You can very quickly just add them as a smart chip. So something else you can do: insert smart chips, calendar event. So this one's pretty cool. You can go to calendar event. It shows you your upcoming calendar event. You click on it. Again, you've got the little icon that shows you it's a calendar event. It tells you what it is. Tab to insert meeting notes. So, when you're in your calendar and you've got an event, you can put meeting notes in there. So if you do have some, you could tab and insert those notes right here. So again, it's like a really great way to organize a whole bunch of information in one place. And then lastly, which I thought was also pretty cool, you go to Insert Smartchips Place. So I thought this one was interesting. I typed in Newberry College. There it is. And now when you click on that, it brings up a map to Newberry College. It's instant. And again, it's got a little icon with the pen so you know that it's a map. So pretty cool. I think that there are some real uses for using smart chips and organizing information into one document. And it's super easy to use. Insert smart chips and then choose the one that you want. And that's it. So I thought that was another interesting tool that Google has come up with in their Google Docs.